Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of brown mustard seeds. Get ready to discover the abundant health benefits these unassuming seeds offer. Whether you're a seasoned wellness enthusiast or just curious about their magic, we're here to shed light on the incredible wellness potential of brown mustard seeds. From spicing up your dishes to providing natural remedies, brown mustard seeds have something special in store for everyone. Join us as we dive deep into the world of these seeds and uncover their secrets. Firstly, brown mustard seeds are like the superheroes of your digestive system. Packed with enzymes, they kickstart the production of digestive juices, helping break down food and ease the digestion process. Whether you're dealing with bloating, gas, or indigestion, brown mustard seeds might just be your go-to remedy. Their enzymes assist in reducing discomfort and promoting smoother digestion. Brown mustard seeds also play a role in supporting your gut's microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria in your intestines. These seeds can be a feast for your gut flora, contributing to a balanced and harmonious digestive environment. To all heart-conscious viewers, brown mustard seeds have a secret heart-loving weapon: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. What's more, brown mustard seeds can give your metabolism a gentle nudge. Packed with minerals like selenium and magnesium, they help regulate metabolic processes, contributing to energy production and weight management. But the benefits don't stop there. Brown mustard seeds are rich in compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. When used externally in poultices or applied as a paste, they can potentially offer relief from muscular aches, joint discomfort, and even certain skin irritations. The application of brown mustard seeds can create a warming sensation on the skin. This warmth can help increase blood circulation to the affected area, promoting healing and comfort. For centuries, brown mustard seeds have been used in traditional medicine for their pain-relieving potential. From Ayurveda to Chinese medicine, their natural properties have been harnessed to soothe various types of discomfort. Are you a breathing aficionado? Brown mustard seeds are known for their potential to clear congestion and support respiratory health. Incorporating them into your diet or using them in steam inhalation can offer relief during cold and flu seasons. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's not forget about bone health. While they might not be dairy, brown mustard seeds still bring a calcium boost to the table. Calcium is crucial for maintaining bone density and strength, making these seeds a tasty addition to your bone-loving diet. Brown mustard seeds also provide a dose of magnesium, another mineral essential for bone health. Magnesium works hand-in-hand with calcium to support bone structure and keep them sturdy. These seeds contain phosphorus, yet another key player in maintaining bone health. The combination of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus found in brown mustard seeds provides a holistic approach to bone health. They work together to keep your skeletal system in tip-top shape. Remember, folks, brown mustard seeds aren't just for your hot dogs. They're tiny superheroes for your health journey. So go ahead, sprinkle some goodness, and let these seeds be your tasty secret to a healthier you. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep spicing up your life. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.